It is recommended to calibrate the remote controller if the following situations are happening. Firstly, the remote controller is dropped on the ground. Secondly, the aircraft's flight direction does not match control inputs. Thirdly, the remote controller automatically enters the calibration procedure when it is turned on. Turn off the aircraft and remote controller. Press and hold the power button and takeoff button of the remote controller simultaneously for 3 seconds. When the remote controller screen lights up and enters the calibration screen, you can start the calibration. Push and hold the command sticks in each of the 8 possible directions until you hear a beep each time. Finally, turn the left gimbal pitch dial counterclockwise until you hear a beep, and then clockwise until you hear a beep. The calibration program will close automatically. Thank you for watching.